We have seen a surge of AI agent protocols this year, making agent usability easier than ever. From Anthropic's Model Context Protocol, which acts as a communication layer between an AI application and an external service like tools, databases, and templates, to Google's A2A, which is enabling agents to talk to one another. But here's the catch: there's still no standardized way for AI agents to connect directly to front-end applications where actual user interaction happens. Well, that changes today. Allow me to introduce AGUI, a brand new open standard protocol which is designed to fill that gap. AGUI stands for Agent User Interaction, and it's a lightweight, event-based protocol that standardizes how AI agents connect to front-end interfaces, whether it's a web app, mobile app, or even any sort of UI that you have developed. AGUI makes agent-human interaction seamless, modular, and consistent, and this is something that we're going to be taking a look at today. Now, to showcase it in action, this is the AGUI Dojo, which is a demo playground that highlights the core building blocks of AGUI, and it provides for agent user interaction, and each demo is focusing on a specific feature like streaming updates or chat interfaces or even shared states, and it is implemented in just 50 to 200 lines of code. This makes it easy for developers to understand, customize, and reuse these components in their own project. The goal is to keep things simple, modular, and practical, and this is why I wanted to showcase AGUI, because it can be used in real-world AI applications with minimal setup and allows you to have that connectivity with your AI agent. So you may wonder, why even use AGUI? Well, it's actually designed for developers building interactive AI workflows that require real-time updates in shared state. It is also something that would be best fit for human-in-the-loop collaboration. It offers a simple open protocol for connecting AI agents to front-end that's compatible with tools like CopilotKit while offering efficient communication patterns, streaming support, and best practices for chat, state updates, and user agent coordination. You can see that from your application, it connects it to AGUI's protocol that then allows you to connect to different frameworks like LangGraph, AG2, you have Crew AI, Mastra, and so many others. Before we get started, I just want to mention that you should definitely go ahead and subscribe to the World of AI newsletter. I'm constantly posting different newsletters on a weekly basis, so this is where you can easily get up-to-date knowledge about what is happening in the AI space. So definitely go ahead and subscribe, as this is completely for free. So in essence, AGUI is the missing link between powerful AI agents and real-time user-facing applications that's standardizing how they interact, co-work, and stay in sync. It turns fragmented back-end heavy workflows into collaborative human-in-the-loop experiences with minimal code. This is actually a library that was developed by CopilotKit, which is another open source tool that we've showcased on this channel. It's essentially an AI copilot for your application where you can create agentic apps with their open source library. And this is why today we'll be showcasing how you can use as well as customize and build AGUI into your own AI agent application. It's something that has the ability to be compatible with various agent frameworks like LangGraph, Mastra, Crew AI, as well as AG2. And before we get started, guys, make sure you give them a star because these guys have been doing a lot of great work for the open source community. Here is a demo of how it looks in action, having the open protocol enabled within your application. This is an app that will provide you haiku about anything that you send in, about any sort of natural language prompt. In this case, can you create a haiku on politics focusing on a specific event? And you can see right away it will provide that haiku. And this is a good visualization of the agent UI that was created with the help of AGUI. Here are a couple of examples of different AI agent powered applications that were actually created with the help of AGUI. All of these are demos, and you can see the functionality that you get of having AGUI powering your application, having the AI integration that will have it so that there is a front end to actually visualize your AI agent and to allow you to interact with it. So there's two ways to get started, and they actually showcase this within their documentation. You can start by building an AI agent with the protocol, or you can go ahead and connect it to the front end with this protocol. Now, what we're going to do is start off with connecting it to AGUI, and you're going to need to make sure that you have the prerequisites fulfilled, like Node.js, NPM, or Yarn, as well as an OpenAI API key. Now, what you want to do is open up your command prompt. Once you have that opened up, you want to make sure that you set your API key first. You want to send in the export or set command based off your operating system, and then you want to paste in your key at the next portion. So after you have set your API key, you want to then clone the repository. Once you have cloned it, you want to then head over into the AG-UI directory, and then you want to type in cd dojo to get into the actual playground. Once that is done, make sure you paste in the npm install command to install all the necessary requirements. And then finally, you can then access it on your local host after you run the application with this following command. And there we go. We now have our playground open up. Essentially, it's a great way to get a good grasp as to what you can do with AGUI and how it connects your UI to your AI agent. And within the docs, it will showcase how you can modify and connect to OpenAI's API, bridging OpenAI with AGUI, and implementing other models as well. So this is a good way for you to understand what you can do with connecting to AGUI. And there we go. We now have AGUI fully running within our local host. But essentially, this is just a couple of lists of different interactive demos that will get you a good idea of what you can do with AGUI. For example, we have the agentic chat. This is essentially where you can chat with your copilot and call front-end tools. So you can say, change the background to yellow, and you can see that it is going to change the background to yellow. And this is a way for you to use this agentic chat to work with your AI powered by AGUI to collaborate with your agent to make changes across your front end. Now, what we can also do is you can use the human in the loop, and this is something that will plan a task together and direct the copilot to take the right steps. This is where you have interactivity, where you can work with the AI to plan as well as add different components. So we can see that it has selected the multiple steps to go to Mars, and this way you can work hand to hand, connect with the backend to then showcase the changes made within the UI, similar to how we saw with the agentic chat. You also have the agentic generative UI for assigning long running tasks to your copilot and seeing how it actually performs. Then you have tool based generative UI, where it is going to allow you to actually use tools within the front end. This is similar to the example we saw from the beginning, where you can request it in Haiku about AI, and it is going to use the tool calling capability to then work on generating that task for me. Another demo is the shared state, which is a recipe copilot which reads and updates collaboratively. You have predictive state as well as a no chat demo. And then lastly, you have the external demo showcasing co-agents in research workflows. So you can also assign different agents like co-agents for research and external uh, functionalities. And you can see the agent UI displaying all of these different functionalities. So think about it. This dojo showcases all of these interactive demos that will showcase the capability of agent UI powering your application. So it is going to allow you to bring so much more capabilities to your app, make it more interactive and agentic with these different features. Now, in the same manner, you can refer to the build with AGUI documentation, and this will actually showcase how you can build an HTTP endpoint compatible with AGUI protocol. And it's going to enable seamless integration with agent frameworks like CopilotKit. It starts off with the Python project managed by Poetry, and you can install dependencies, including the AGUI protocol, OpenAI, or even FastAPI, and then set up the basic FastAPI server. It's a guide that's going to showcase in progress over from a simple little hello world response to parsing structured run agent input data and implementing service sent events for real time event training. So definitely recommend you taking a look at this so you get a better idea as to how you can build with AGUI. But that's basically it, guys. This is just the tip of the iceberg, and it is something that provides so much more as this is a standardized protocol for building real-time event-driven agent interfaces with minimal effort. As you saw, it enables seamless integrations between your AI agent and different modern front ends. So I highly recommend that you take a look at this with all the links that I use in today's video in the description. Make sure you give these guys a star if you haven't already. But with that thought, guys, thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you join the newsletter, join our Discord, follow me on Twitter, subscribe to the second channel as well as the main channel, turn on notification bells, like this video, and please take a look at our previous videos because there's a lot of content that you will truly benefit from. But with that thought, thank you guys so much for watching. Have an amazing day. Spread positivity, and I'll see you guys really shortly. Peace out, fellas.